In front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to select photos and add them, click on this icon of a photo and a paperclip at the bottom right corner. Now hit Images at the top, look for your photos here, in one of those apps, or what most people miss by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to access all of those sources. Either way, when you find your photos to add, hold one, and then click on all of them to add them. When you finished, hit Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!